Alright, this is MCTS Guide to Windows 2008 Server, Chapter 9, and this is Activity 9.8, Installing NPS. NPS is Network Policy and Access Services in Windows Server, and it's a logical grouping of Network Policy Server, routing, or something, reliability services, RRAS, HRA, and HCAP. Just logical grouping. So we just go into the server manager, roles, expand roles, and let's go to add roles. And network policy and access services. Next. And let's do network policy server, routing and remote access services. That's a RRAS, Health Registration Authority. And okay, so these two, NPS and RRAS. RAS. Let's install. Alright, so the NPAS is done, and we installed it, and it grouped our network policy server and routing and remote access services. Let's open it up. Alright. So any event warnings that we got is because we don't have a static IP address and DHCP involved. So, but you can see all the roles are within here. And here's the menu. Just going through the menu, looking at the there we go. That's IPv4, which we only use IPv4. So, all right. So that was installing NPS. Was activity 9.8, and thanks for watching.